Welcome. In this tutorial, we'll guide you on how to control Telegram's access to your media on your PC. Let's walk through the steps. To begin, open web.telegram.org on your web browser. This will lead you to the Telegram web version, where you can manage your settings. Next, click on View Site Information, located next to the web address. This option allows you to view details about the website's permissions. Proceed to open Site Settings within Telegram. Here, you can adjust various site-specific settings for web.telegram.org. Under the Permissions section, you'll find a list of permissions that Telegram may request to access on your PC. These permissions include media access, camera access, and more. To allow Telegram to access your media files, simply enable the specific permissions you are comfortable with by toggling the switch. By customizing the permissions you want to allow, you can regulate Telegram's access to your media based on your preferences and security concerns. By following these steps, you can effectively manage Telegram's access to your media on your PC, ensuring your files are protected and your privacy is maintained. Thank you for watching, and we hope this tutorial helps you control Telegram's access to your media files. Stay tuned for more useful guides and tips.